Next topic is about serial control register, that is SCON. So far in previous video timers we have discussed about timer mode and timer controls. Now we are entering to the serial ports. In that SCON is there. There is nothing but serial control register, and this SCON serial control register is an 8-bit register. Okay, this SCON 8-bit register, it's going to be represented in a flag that is start from D0 to D7. So here D0 is a LSB bit, that is least significant bit, and D7 is most significant bit. So here we have the different modes, different status like SM0, SM1, that is nothing but serial port mode 0 and serial port mode 1. So based on the different inputs, we are going to have different modes like mode 0, mode 1, mode 2 and mode 3. Okay, and this is not implemented, or it is used for the future case. So D5 bit is meant for future case. D7 and D6 are the serial port mode bits. Whereas this D4 REN is there, it is nothing but receive enable bit. D4 bit is meant for receive enable bit. Whereas D3 and D2, here these are the transmission and receiving bits itself. So this receives the transmitted bit as 8 and this receives the transmit bit as 8, because whatever you are going to transfer, you are going to receive. And TI is nothing but transmit interrupt flag, and RI is nothing but receive interrupt flag. Okay, once again I am repeating here, D6 and D7 are meant for serial port mode selections, that is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode not, like that. And D5 bit is meant for future case, and D4 bit is meant for receive enable bit, and D3 is meant for transmission 8 bit 8, and D2 is meant for receive bit 8, and D0 and D1 are the transmit interrupt flag and receive interrupt flag. So coming to here, these serial port modes will be based on the selection like 00 mode 0, 01 mode 1, 10 mode 2, 11 mode 3. And this REN receive enable bit, it is to be enable this to enable the bit selection, that is D4 bit, it always set to 1. So to set that D4 bit, almost if it is in enable conditions, it is going to be set to as a 1. If it is 0, it is disabled. Okay, so to enable this bit, that is D4 bit, it always must set to 1, otherwise set to 0. Whereas transmit bit 8, this is transmitted bit 8. If it is set to 1, then we can transmit 8 bit. Okay, we can transmit 8 bit. If it is set to 1, we are going to transmit 8 bit. If it is set to 1, we are going to receive 8 bit. Okay, and whereas transmit interrupt flag, it is set to 1 for the end of the transmission. If it is set to 1, sorry, it is 1. If it is set to 1, we are going to say it is completely, the process of transmission is completed. If RA is set to 1, we are going to say the reception is going to be ended. Okay, so in all the flag registers here, all the flags are going to be set to 1. So when it is set to 1, what is the functionality? We have to know that. So otherwise it will be by default, it is set to the 0. Okay, so here this is set to 1 when we are going to transmit 8 bit. If it is set to 1, we are saying the transmission process is completed. Similarly, for this it is set to 1, we are receiving the 8 bit. And if this is set to 1, that is RI, we are completing the end of the reception, that is receiving process is completed. This is about serial control register.